So this is the investing app. This investing app. So the first thing you have to do while using this app is go to more. You see this more here, this part here. You click on more. Click on more. After clicking on more, you go to calendars. After going to calendars, I've set my that's why. You click on this. So you click on this icon here. After clicking on that icon, then you go to customize. Sorry, you go to customize. After going to customize, click on customize. Look at the ones I ticked. Australia, you take Australia, Canada, Eurozone, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, New Zealand, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, United States. So after you're done with that, you just those are the ones. So anyone you see any something like this, any Angola, you just untick those ones. So the ones I mentioned, that's what you tick. After you're done with that, just go back. After go back, look at this filter. Make sure you click on the filter if your filter is off. Then after that, you see this low, medium, you untick them. So what we need is only the high. So you just click on holding the high. After that, we are done with that. So the next thing we do now is to learn how to use it to check news. So the first thing you do is once you open it, you come to this. You go to more. After you click on more, you go to calendars. When you go to calendars, you see now these three bullet means high impact news. So whenever you see these three on those three stuff, you know, it's an iPad news. News is coming out by 7. So, and GBP news came out by 7 a.m. this morning, and dollar USD, that is dollar, news came out around 3 a.m. today. So let's check for news tomorrow. What time news is coming out tomorrow? So the news is coming out. Sorry about that. Tomorrow, let's check for tomorrow. So tomorrow we are having CHF. CHF is coming up about 8:30, 9 o'clock. These are high impact news. So if you are trading this currency pair, make sure you trade before then or after then. So GBP is coming out by 12 a.m. So by 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. So before that time, make sure you've trade or after the news you trade. So pounds is coming up by 1 a.m., dollar 1 a.m., that is 1:30, dollar another news is coming out by 3 and 4. So tomorrow is Thursday. So Thursday we are having dollar. So by this time I don't trade news. So I trade before 1 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. I've make sure I trade any currency pair that has to do with dollar. So USD, gold, those pair that has dollar in it. So these are to check for news, impact news. These are all called fundamental analysis. Now, how do you use it to trade the markets? How do you use to trade the market? So you go to market. Let's say, for example, I want to trade gold. So what's gold? Gold, type gold. Sorry, sorry about that. You type you type gold. Once you type gold, you search. So you see gold. Gold is E. Sorry about that. Sorry. So gold is this gold. This gold. So this gold. What do? You click on it. Sorry about that. You click on it. Once you click on it, the first thing you do is look at now. If you check your on this part, your might not be candles, your might be look at this place here. So if I click on that part, it will change it. See, it should change to line chart. So I need the candles. I don't need the line chart. So this overview. The next one is this technical news analysis. And so what do I do? The first thing I do is I click on technicals. After clicking on technicals, so I click on technicals, take me to technicals. Now, how do I analyze this pair? Now, if you look, we have 5 minutes, 30 minutes, hourly, daily. Now, this hourly means 1 hour. That hourly means 1 hour. Then you click on here, sorry. And you click on this icon, you see 15 minutes. Then this 5 hours, this what they are saying 5 hours is actually 4 hours. So what do I do next? What do I do? So let's say I want to trade this pair. What do? I go to my daily. My daily is what? A strong sell. I go to my 4 hours. That is this 5 hours means 4 hours. You click on it. Strong sell. You go to your hourly. Hourly is not giving us a direction now. I go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes is giving us a strong sell. 30 minutes is giving us a strong sell. 5 minutes is giving us a strong sell. So what does it mean? It's trying to tell us that this market is going to sell. But now the hourly is not giving us anything. So I need to make sure all of them are in what? Strong sell, strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. So once everything is in strong sell and the 5 minutes is just showing me sell, only sell. Let's say, okay, let's see. Daily SS means strong sell. Just know that. So 4 hours SS means strong sell. 1 hour strong sell. 30 minutes strong sell. 15 minutes strong sell. Then if I go to my 5 minutes and I'm seeing sell, what do? I just go to my chart. I open my chart and look for entries. Now, I just use this one to just confirm. So if I go to my chart, what do? I'll look for ways to also analyze the market. Is the market telling me same thing? So if everything is on strong sell, daily, weekly, daily, from daily actually, start from daily. Daily. So daily, daily must be on strong say 4 hours strong say 1 hour strong say 15 minutes strong say 30 minutes. Actually, I don't use 30 minutes. So I don't use 30 minutes. So I don't care if 30 minutes is strong say, but make sure your daily strong say, your 4 hour strong say, your hourly, that is your 1 hour strong say, your 15 minutes strong say. So once those ones are aligned strong say, if your 5 minutes is on sell or also strong sell, it's a good analysis. All you have to do is go to your chart and check for same parameters too and look for entries. Now let's say I'm trading euro. You can use it on you can use it to analyze crypto also, euro, dollar. Same thing. What do I do? I go to my technicals. The first thing, daily strong buy, hourly strong buy. Let me check 4 hours. 4 hours strong buy, 30 minutes strong buy. Let's check 15 minutes. 15 minutes strong buy. Now my 5 minutes is not giving me a direction. So let's check gold. Nice. So what do I do now? I open my chart. This one you don't need this one. So now look at it. Daily buy, strong buy. Look at it. It's showing me a buy. I've taught you that once the red line, the yellow line is above the yellow line is above the red line is a buy. To your 1 hour buy, 30 minutes buy, 15 minutes is also a buy. A buy despite that there's some reversals there, but it's still showing us a buy. Then what do I do? Now if you look, my 5 minutes is not giving me it's not giving me. If you check on that chart, the thing showed us that 5 minutes has not yet given us the direction. So what do? I will wait. I'll wait till 5 minutes gives me an entry. I'll wait till 5 minutes gives me an entry. Look at here now. If I've entered from here now, hold this trade. From here up to this place, my God, look at money, free money. That's money. Okay, let me go to my 1 minute. Look at my 1 minute also. So it's the same thing you are doing. The same thing that you are doing. You are just doing that. The same thing. Let's go to gold as we have checked gold that time. Gold, what do we checked? We checked sell. Look at it, sell, strong sell. This strong sell. If I draw my this thing, I'll show you people some other things. Then are you seeing it also? A sell market. See it. Look at the trend line showing me it's a sell market. Now the indicators are telling me it's also a sell market. That is the yellow line is below the red line, so it's a sell market. Go to my 1 hour. 1 hour, same thing. Can you see it? Can you see it? Sell market 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes to the 15 minutes is showing me a sell market, but yeah, it's showing me a sell market despite the market from this angle here, this place. From this place now, you can see it went up, it bought. It's just normal thing, but it's a same market. So this thing, I don't, what I'm trying to, I'm waiting for the market to reverse and give me an entry. Now the market reversed here and give me an entry here. Give me an entry here. Now, if I'm trading with let me not talk about that one. Let me not confuse people. It's not a time to confuse people. So, as I'm using my support and resistance, stuff like that. And there's a way I trade my support actually. There's a way I trade my support. You see, I'm seeing a candle rejection on a particular this place now. See, see this zone. I see that zone. That place is a zone. But let's leave that part. Let's leave that part first. We'll calm down. We'll get to that place. We'll get to that level. So you can see 15 minutes. You go to your 5 minutes. You go to your 5 minutes. Are you seeing it? A strong sell. So all you have to do is make sure everything is what everything must give you sell, 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 sell. Look at 5 minutes. Buy, strong buy, strong buy, and buy. So that's that for now. And boom. So everything has to be aligned. Strong buy. So if this place is only buy, it's showing only buy. It's okay, just look for an entry like that. That's all.